I want you to please explain the difference between modernization and westernization, and which among the two is incompatible with Islam.
Okay, modernization and westernization. This is a good question. I don't think that we have enough time to answer this question. Modernization, we have no problem with modernization. We have no problem with westernization, provided that they keep the Islamic values intact. That is this is the summary of the answer. We don't have any problem with modernity, provided, as I said, we have three options. And if we keep the main values intact and preserved, then we will accept modernity. If we keep the Islamic values, the main Islamic values, preserved and intact, we have no problem with westernization. But now the word westernization or the word modernization have negative connotation, and that's why people have sensitivity when they discuss these terms. Okay, so that is the summary of the answer.